Welcome to, excuse me, welcome to summer 2020 4003 research methods. Just going to give you a brief walkthrough of the program and what you can expect. We'll start off with this is right here where you can see this video, the instructor welcome. Over here you have your textbook, which is Research Methods and Statistics by Sherry Jackson, 2015. The syllabus is attached right here, and you can also just go through it. You can see that we have week 1 is chapters 1 and 2. Week 2 is chapter 3. Week 4 is chapters 4 and the midterm. Week 4 is chapters 5 and 6. Week 5 is chapter 7 and 8. Week 6 is chapters 9 and 10. Week 7 is chapter 12, and week 8 is chapter 13. The final will be open on August 17th and will be due by August 21st. And basically with this, you can see your student resources, of course, if you need the writing center, etc. Not really any papers or anything due in this course. It's mainly just reading the information and taking the tests. We do have introduce yourself discussion board, and for week 1, chapter 1 PowerPoint, chapter 2 PowerPoint. This video doesn't work. So you have the goals of science video, the hypothesis video, the documentary on public history of research ethics, and then the Henrietta Lacks Tuskegee, chapter 1 quiz, chapter 2 quiz. And then this is a separate component for research subjects. So you're going to watch these 2 videos and take this ethics training quiz, and that will be worth 50 points. And then finally, the last article here, or the last video, is how to read a scholarly journal article, and that is week 1. I'm going to open up weeks 1 ahead of time so you can focus on the week's material. But if you want to, you can get started on chapter 2 or week 2, which consists of the PowerPoint for chapter 3, a video on variable operations and measurement levels, what is statistics, independent, dependent, and confounding variables in quantitative research, and reliability and validity, independent versus dependent variables, and then the levels of variables, so nominal, ordinal, interval, and ratio data, and how to remember the differences. Then you have your chapter 3 quiz there. So that is the first 2 weeks, and I will go over the syllabus as well. So as you can see, there's my information as well as my email and the mission statement of the school, the course description, the required text, which we just went over. This is a web-based course, so it will obviously really depend on you to keep on top of things. I'll send out emails if you get behind. The course objectives: learn basic terminology related to statistics, qualitative and quantitative research questions, techniques, design, and reporting. And students will become literate and critical consumers of research, so be able to read articles and understand them. Students will articulate the basic concepts and issues in research methods and statistics by participating in cooperating learning groups related to the study of human development, psychotherapy, and treatment. And you'll be able to apply them in a written discussion of an article choice from the literature. So those are the learning objectives. The courses required: you'll have video and PowerPoint quizzes Those will be worth 250 points. You'll have your midterm worth 75, your final worth 75, and homework as assigned will be 50 points. Things like the discussion board introduction will be worth some points. And then online ethics training is 50 points, and that's in the first week. And that is the schedule again. These are the grading scale, and then these are the Lindsey Wilson policies, whether you have a question on a grade, academic integrity, etc. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me, and I hope that everything is a success this week and as you go throughout the rest of the semester.